12. I'm kind of a little bit of like a Titanic freak.
Oh, yeah.
As a kid, I was like very interested in Titanic.
Did you like the movie?
Yeah. But I liked like all the
history about it. Yeah, it really is very interesting. Well, there's a new immersive Titanic experience, and it's opening in Scottsdale tomorrow.
So Anita is getting a little sneak peek this morning, and I think she's already doing her best Jack and Rose impression there on the bow.
There you guys go. I was going to ask what your favorite part of the movie was, and I think everyone loves this. I'm the king of the world. Yes, I am. You can come here. What a fantastic opportunity. Thank you for photographs. And this is one of the first parts of the exhibit when you walk in, Jessica. How large is this exhibit?
Oh, my goodness. It's about 20,000 square feet.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yeah.
And so this is everything from beginning to end?
Absolutely. From the building of the ship all the way down to the discovery of the wreck site.
Oh, my goodness gracious. So what is the history of the Titanic? Because we all know the movie. If you didn't see it when it came out, you probably have seen it through the years. But there is just so much history with the Titanic.
Absolutely. Well, there's so many different entry points into this story. Whether you're interested in the engineering of the ship, Edwardian society, or discovery of the wreck site, or maybe you're interested in decisions that were made, you know, during unprecedented crisis. There is something in this story for everybody.
So this is an interactive exhibit that you guys just saw. You can take the photo there, you can read about all the history, but you're also walking through, and you really do feel like you're on the Titanic, or were.
Well, that's the nature of an immersive environment, and that's one of the things that's really great about the Titanic and Immersive Voyage. You have an opportunity to step into history in a new and compelling way and learn by experiencing. So we've got full-scale reproductions of certain areas of the ship that let you be part of the story.
Let me take you to this photograph right here. This is my first time in this room, and it immediately grabbed my attention. This is as they're taking off on their journey?
Absolutely. So this is as the ship is embarking, and so you have, for me, this is the beginning. This is hopes and dreams.
Yeah.
And this is people going to New York, the best of the best, the most elite, but then also there's a huge immigration story. Class steerage passengers that are going in pursuit of the American dream, both of them in the same place at the same time.
My goodness gracious. So how long was the Titanic sailing for before tragedy hit?
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah, 4 days. Yeah.
So 4 days of bliss, really. People were dancing, they were eating, they were enjoying a very, very historic voyage.
On the ship of dreams, the most opulent ship that had been built, they sacrificed speed and spent all of the expense on fitting out the ship. You had strawberries in the middle of the ocean, and for the steerage passengers, some of the accommodations were better than they had ever seen in their life.
My goodness. Holiday weekend is coming up. We're in the midst of summer, so continuing education with kids is always great.
Oh, fantastic.
Where are you guys located? When will you be open? How can people come check this out?
So you can go to the website. It's expo-titanic.com to get tickets. We're 4301 North Scottsdale Boulevard, which is in Scottsdale. And as far as the kids, I will tell you, I've had an opportunity to work with a lot of subject matter experts in my life, a lot of historians, a lot of oceanographers, and some of the most experienced kids, the most experts are actually children. I had an 8-year-old that was firing shots at me about Titanic, and he knew inside and out.
You know, it really is so fascinating. We're getting the wrap. One more time, how people can buy tickets.
At expo-titanic.com.
So this is so beautiful. I wish I had time to go all the way through it. There's also a gift shop, and they have replica newspapers. They have these amazing blankets that I grabbed with me. It is chilly in here, so as the temperatures heat up, this is really the perfect thing to do over the summertime. So come check out the exhibit. It's absolutely beautiful, educational. You're going to learn so much, and then you're going to want to go home and watch the movie.
Absolutely.
You put it all together. You put it all together. We'll put all that info up on our website.
Isn't it?
The hallway of that ship, it looks like a replica when you take a look at the photos.